In this short video, I will show you the thinking behind FX Job Monitor and how it can be used. We are showing it here in the context of a commercial print environment. However, we suspect it may have many other uses. The diagram here shows a print shop with 3 designers and 1 printer. The designer saves the final print-ready file into a folder on the printer's computer. The question is, how does the printer know when new jobs have been submitted for printing? To solve this issue, FX Job Monitor monitors a single folder on the printer's computer for new files as they are saved into a specific hot folder. When new files are found, a small preview is created and displayed, and the job is added to the waiting jobs list. The printer can then transfer that file or job into a print folder when they are ready to print it. FX Job Monitor user interface shows the paths to the selected hot folder and jobs folder. The hot folder is the one where the designers will save new jobs. And the jobs folder, this is where jobs will be transferred to for printing. Green text indicates that these folders have been selected and are OK. You only need to select these folders once. Each time the application starts, it will automatically use the last selected hot and jobs folders. These folders are initially selected from the File menu. You will then need to choose Start Process under the Processing menu. New files will be displayed here under the Files in Hot Folder section. To transfer a file, first select it, then click the Transfer button. It will then be transferred to a subfolder within the Jobs folder. If a file has been saved to the hot folder in error, it can be deleted by selecting it and clicking the Delete button. All transferred files are shown in the transferred list. To keep FX Job Monitor in view, simply tick the top checkbox. This will keep the window on top of all others. To see it in action, I will drag some files from the desktop into the hot folder. Note that there may be some small delays while copying is completed and previews are created. The preview is always created first, and then the file name will be displayed in the Files in Hot Folder list. This may take several seconds. I will now transfer a couple of more files so that you can see the files accumulate in the hot folder. You will also get some idea as to the time it takes to generate a preview image and display that file name in the Files in Hot Folder list. And again, a preview has been created for the magazine, and now the file is added to the list. And we will transfer a third file to the hot folder. Again, the preview is always generated first. Then the file name is added to the Jobs in Hot Folder list. We will now transfer some jobs to the Jobs folder. Note that when a job is transferred, it is placed into a subfolder within that Jobs folder. Note that jobs here are saved using a number and then a name. The application will check the Jobs folder to see if a folder with that number exists. If it does exist, the job is placed into that folder. Otherwise, a new folder is created for that job. To demonstrate that a second job with the same number as one we transferred earlier will be placed into that existing folder, I will rename this final job before we transfer it. Note that the application has already created a new preview, and now the name in the list has also been updated. So as you can see, when this job is transferred, it is placed into the existing folder numbered 1000. The rest of the name is irrelevant. A list of all transferred jobs is displayed in the Transferred section. This may be useful in cases where a printer gets distracted and is unsure what job was transferred last. To demonstrate how the preview updates, note that we are viewing the transferred list on the left-hand side. I have dropped back in a new job. The list automatically switches to the Files in Hot Folder view, and the view is then updated in due course. The following chart shows how FX Job Monitor in conjunction with Pixels Imposed can be used to streamline your print process. I invite you to check out other tutorials on explorepixels.com to see how Pixels Imposed in conjunction with FX Job Monitor can help streamline your print process.